Come on to the rainforest, there are many species here. Lizards, panthers, lemurs are all very near.
Rainforests are home to many things. They're naturally special like Miss Tewksbury's ring.
There are so many field lions roaming around. Miss Tewksbury tries to catch them, but they bite her and run around.
The rainforest inspires us to be environmentally sound. Without it, we would all be 6 feet underground. I love the rainforest, you should too. I want to live there with Miss Tewksbury when I turn 22.
Come on, y'all, and join us now. The rainforest is calling. Kick, kick, kapow!